Did you know floods usually occur when rain falls faster than the water can absorb into the ground or carried away by rivers or streams? Let's try out this experiment. You'll need a bin, dirt, fake trees, tiny houses, and water. Put the dirt and trees on one side of the bin on a slope. Add your houses on different levels. Now you can add a few pitchers of water and see what houses survived the flood. Of course, the houses closest to the shoreline will have the most flooding and damage. Damage caused by flooding can reach into the billions of dollars. Flash floods are caused by rains, hurricanes, thunderstorms, tropical storms, or melting snow. As little as 2 feet of rushing water can carry away a car. Floods are the most common natural disasters in the United States. Flash floods often break walls of water 10 to 15 feet high. To stay safe during a flood, go to the highest ground possible. Thanks for doing this awesome experiment with me. Have the best day ever. Please like and subscribe.